Are you interested in studying at some of the top universities abroad? Would you like to study for an English language degree program in medicine, engineering, social sciences, and natural sciences in Germany for free? Do you know that you can study at some of the top universities in Germany without paying any tuition? Yes, studying in Germany for free. My name is Odru Asante, and I'm a doctoral research fellow at the University of Bergen in Norway. And today, I am going to share with you step-by-step process by which you can also pursue your master's degree or bachelor's degree or even PhD in Germany without paying any tuition. If this is what you need, I will encourage you to share the information with other people who may also be interested in pursuing such an opportunities. Germany has become one of the most popular destinations for international students. And currently, there are over 440,000 international students from all walks of life. I mean, from different countries around the world. Most popular among them are students from China, India, Cameroon, Iran. I mean, students from all over the world, Nigeria, even United States. There are about 5,000 students from United States uh, in Germany. And Germany has become popular because of the fact that there is tuition free in most of the German institutions or universities. So you can take your bachelor, master, or even PhD in English language also there, and it is tuition free. I mean, for most of the universities. But the question is, how do I know which university offers teaching free or which program is taught in English language or the medium of instruction is English language? To be able to do that, we go to a website called www.daad.de. As you can see here, daad.de. Now, when you are on this website, this is German Academic Exchange Service. When you are on this side, you see that at the extreme right here, you have DE and EN. Since we are looking for something which is English oriented program, we can click on EN. Now, when you click on EN, the whole website becomes uh, English language or turns into English language and makes it easier for you to understand. You can scroll down. There are so many information here, but not everyone is relevant for our search. So since we are looking for English oriented program, which is tuition free, and maybe master or bachelor or PhD. So you click on international programs. Now, when you click on international programs, you see here we have over 2,000 international programs that are available for the year 2022 to 2023. So here we have three buttons here that we need to choose from. We have the course type, that is whether bachelor, master, or PhD. And then we have the medium of instruction or language of instruction, language of instruction, which is English or German language or any other language. And then we have the field type. So first, course type. Let's see, maybe let's choose masters because most students try to complete their bachelor's degree in their home country and they want to pursue masters. So let's click masters, for example. So if you are looking for bachelor, then you click on bachelor. If you are looking for PhD or doctorate degree, you click on that. If you are looking for just a certificate course, you click here. And then the course language, we have German only, English only, and then we have English and German, which is kind of a hybrid. So we click on English only. Then the field type. The field type, we have medicine, mathematics and natural sciences, law, economics and social sciences. I'm looking for something within the within political science. So, but I know that political science is under social science. So I just click on social science. So you have to find out the field of study of your program And many a times, if you know the faculty that you belong to, you should be able to do that. Then you click on search. Now, when you click on search, based on our criteria, our results says that we have about 520 programs, which is way too much. So how do we reduce the number? So at your extreme left here, we can still stream it down. Let's see here. We have course type, field of study. We have already chosen these ones. And then we have the subject type. Here, I want to do something within public administration or political science. So I click here. And then you can scroll down here. Yes, I see political science here, and I see public administration also here. Really good for me. Okay, then we can so uh, stream it down. So you see mode of study here. In the mode of study, we have on campus, we have online, and then we have a hybrid, which is a combination of on campus and online. But we want something which is fully on site or on campus. So you click on that, and then we have the duration of the study between 1 week and 4 years. If you are doing bachelor, I mean, you are looking within 4 years. If you're just a certificate course, it could be just 1 week. That's why you have it there, but it's not relevant for us at the moment. Location of study, the city. Maybe you want to go to Berlin or you want to go to Munich because you have a family, a friend, or something like that. Then you can click on here to choose the city, but it's not relevant for now for me. And even the institution, you can. Now, this is very relevant. We are looking for something which is tuition free. And this is where we have to choose. So you click here, and then you see here we have no fees up to 500 euros per semester, up to 5,000 euro per semester, or even up to 1,000 euro. But we are interested in no fees. So you click on no fees. And let's see what we have based on our criteria now. Now we have about 28 results, which means that we have about 28 programs that we can choose from. It could be that some of the programs are in the same universities, or similar universities, or they are in the same university. So let's go down and see which of these 28 programs am I interested in. So you can scroll down. Okay, I see master's degree development studies. Very interesting. Master's degree, European interdisciplinary master in African studies. Wow, this could be very interesting for those interested in studying something within African context. Master's degree, global communication, politics, and society. It's not something that I want to do. Global political economy and development. So this is not what I want to do. Maybe master's degree international relations. Yes, I want this. Why? Because my first master was international relations. So I'm using this as an example for you so that you can also. So we click on it and see. Now, when you click on it, you see here that we have uh, the degree, which is a master, teaching language, which is English language. And then we have here full time. It's not part time, this is full time. 4 semesters, and it begins in winter. And application deadline is 1st of July for the following winter semester. So if you are interested, then quickly, I think could be something interesting for me. So maybe I can apply. Now, the question is, what do I do next? You see at the extreme right here, you have usually the course correspondent or the contact person for the program. The name is here. You can send an email to the person or even call the person. The good thing about universities and courses and departments in Europe is that mostly when you call, they will pick up and they will give you nice reception. And you can also send email. But if you don't want to do that, you click on the course website. When you click on the course website, you get more information about the program application procedure, and the requirements, the program requirements. This is very important, but this is an English oriented program, English language oriented program. So you should expect that if you are not from a country where English is your lingua franca, then you'll be required to write TOEFL or IELTS, most of the universities. If you are from a country where English is your lingua franca, then you may not need to write TOEFL or IELTS. Uh, I believe that you don't need any intermediary, you don't need any agent. This is something so simple that you can also do for yourself. I happen to get an opportunity for somebody to give me this advice. That is why today I also find myself in this position. And I also want to encourage you, if this has been very helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to share this information with any other person who may also be interested in pursuing opportunities like this. If you're a student, a master student, or a bachelor student, and you are interested in any of these, sometimes you are required to also write a proposal, maybe a 2-page or a 1-page proposal. If you need some kind of advice, or if you have a proposal and you need someone to read through it for you, please don't forget to comment on that at the comment section on my YouTube page. And then I can get in touch and try to offer you free advice or read through your proposal for you and give you my comments for free.